Salam እንዴት ናችሁ? Today we're going to look at basic questions in Amharic. Man. Who? Man. You don't say man, you say man. Man. Man, no? Who is it? Or who is he? Man, no? Man, no? Sounds like we say man, no. Man, no? Man, no. Meche. When? Meche. Meche. Meche, no? When is it? Meche, no. Meche, no. Yet. Where? Yet. Yet. Yet, no. Where is it? Or where is he? Yet, no. Yet, no. Yet, no. Min? What? Min? The n is not emphasized. You don't say min, you just say min. Min? Minden, no? What is it? Minden, no? Min? Din? No? Minden, no? It sounds like we say Minden, no? Min? D? No? Min? D? No? Minden, no? Lemon. Why? Lemon. 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 Lemon, no? Why is that? Lemon, no? Le, min, din, no. Le, min, din, no. It sounds like we say lemon, no. Lemon, no. Le, min, no. Lemon, no. Indeed. How? Indeed. 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 Indeed, no? How is it? Or how is he? Indeed, no? Indeed, no. Indeed, no. ስለተከታተላችሁ አመሰግናለሁ. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.